Sleep, maybe the most underrated mental health tool around. Think sleep is just shutting down your brain? It's actually the most powerful mental health tool you have. During deep sleep, your brain clears toxins linked to anxiety, resets your emotional centers, and strengthens memories. Miss that stage, and you become more reactive, more stressed, and more forgetful. There's a reason we psychologists call sleep overnight therapy. Even one good night can reduce emotional intensity by up to 30%. So if your mood feels off, start with the basics. Consistent sleep schedule, dim your lights before bed, and no doom scrolling in the hour just before sleeping. Good sleep isn't lazy, it's emotional maintenance.